Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as promised, here is the product review video of the Chemical Guys lightning fast stain extractor. Now you may be asking yourself, okay, why did I use a stain extractor cleaning a motorcycle? So the answer is actually very simple. We know this is very gentle because it was designed to be used on interior carpets and things like that. So we know that it's not going to do any damage to any of the painted material or carpet, colored, whatever. So on the bike here, that swing arm, the whole bike is 30 years old. It's a 96 model. And what I've done is I have half cleaned part of an area and then I have left part of an area dirty so you guys can see the results. And it is amazing. And again, I'm not sponsored by Chemical Guys. They don't sponsor anybody. I use their stuff because I like it. It works good. It smells good. Is it a premium product? Yes. Is it a premium price? Yes. Do you get what you pay for? Yes. So again, on this particular product, this is the Lightning Fast Stain Extractor, a brand new bottle. I have just used it, just took the plastic wrap off for this video. So basically what I've done, this is part of the tire that was not cleaned, and I left it nasty so you guys could see it. 30 years of neglect. Now, I pulled the swing arm fender off, and you can see in here, that is basically 30 years of garbage. Chain lube, just nasty road grime. Based on how hard it was to get the screws off the fender, I don't think they ever had it off. It was a pain to get them off. So I'm thinking that was, just first time it's ever pulled off. This poor bike, you can see the chain's rusted. It has set a while. I mean, look at that chain. Thankfully, this bike is going on display as it sets to kind of demonstrate the technology of the CBR back in '96. But I left this area dirty so you guys could see all that, okay? 30 years of garbage. Here's the area I cleaned. It works amazing. I sprayed it on. I let it set for, 20, 30 seconds. And then I wiped it. And what I use to clean stuff with like this, when you're doing a real dirty clean, this is just an all cotton towel. It feels basically like a cut up t-shirt, truthfully, is what it feels like. But look at that. That's 30-year-old paint that looks perfect. It didn't hurt it. It didn't damage it compared to, and you can tell where I stopped wiping. And I haven't wiped that because I wanted to give you guys a good comparison. Works great. It's got a weird kind of peppermint / medical facility smell. I can't really pin down that smell, but got a hint of peppermint to it. So on the wheel, you see this bike was just, the poor thing was neglected. You see how dirty that is and all this nastiness here. So I left this part dirty so I can give you a before and after, okay? So we're gonna swing the wheel around and it's pretty obvious what area has been cleaned. You see the scratches on it, of course. Look at that. Using the same material, as I rotate it, you can see the clean to not clean. That looks factory, with the exception of the scratches. Okay, that looks factory. And then you get back over here into just the garbage, just the nasty, just. Ugh. So I have to say, to use it for an application that it wasn't. Look at that shine. Looks like I buffed the wheel. I did not. I just hit it with the cleaner. Did a fine job. And literally, keep in mind, this whole rear swing arm looked like that. It looked like that area right there, okay? You can see the sparkle in the paint. Look, literally, you can see the sparkle right there. So I have to say, I recommend this. It does an amazing job for removing grease. It's not necessarily designed for removing grease, but one of the things I like to do is try products that are a little outside their scope of design to see how good they are at it. As long as it does it safely and it doesn't cause any damage to anything, I just want to find out what does what. And in this case, the Lightning Fast Stain Extractor does a pretty good job on grease because that's just, look at that. That's nasty. The entire top of the swing arm looked like that from there all the way back to here. And the wheels, of course, are just, you see how nasty they were, just that grime. And that's what the whole wheel looked like right there. There's a good example of what the entire wheel looked like. And that's not corrosion of the aluminum or anything or the paint. That's just, you know what, let's do this. So I got this spot sitting here. We're going to hit that good, okay? And we'll let it set a minute, just to kind of give you guys an idea. That's, it looks like it's like acid bath or something. It's not. So we hit it with this good old cleaner. Look at that. Take it right off. Down to the shine. I mean, that is just amazing. You know, the wheel here has got kind of the rough finish to it on the interior here. The lips are polished, but you can see grime, no grime. Just let it set a few seconds and hit it. You can tell the difference just that quick. So definitely, it definitely works. Now I got to lube the chain and I got to clean all this. Because like I said, this bike's going on display as it sets without the fairings. Yeah. We went from that nasty goop to literally factory fresh. Good stuff, good stuff. And again, what we've got here is the chemical guys lightning fast. I wish I could pin that smell down. It's a combination of like walking in a hospital and peppermint. I know that's weird, but that's the only way I can describe the smell of this product. And it says powerful. Yeah, it is a powerful cleaner. I would say so. So as promised, here is the little video on that. Again, not sponsored. I just use their stuff because I like it. I'm going to be doing the whole bike. It cleaned up nice when I foamed it. There's still some spots, of course, like this. I've got to go over. There's some, I'm going to hit that. You know what? Let's do that. Let's just go ahead and hit that. So that's part of the frame there. That's just grime that is under that would be the gas tank and one of the fairings there. So we'll just soak that real good and see what we get. Yep, I'd say that works. And it's hard to tell with the lighting in here, but it literally took it down to the, there we go.